Another diagnosis that you have to keep in mind is the inflammatory bowel disease. So you'd be looking for for the condition of or the symptomatology of this particular condition. And IBD has this particular set of signs and symptoms in which the patient has pain with blood in stools. So this is one of the associated feature. An elevated sedimentation rate. So ESR is usually raised for these patients. You would ask for imaging techniques. Particularly CT scans are done and a colonoscopy can rule out this condition. The treatment, if it is diagnosed that the patient is suffering from an IBD condition, you would basically resort to medical therapy. Usually it is a symptomatic therapy. You'd focus on the symptoms of the patient and treat them accordingly. Nutritional support is very important for these patients. Psychological support, educating the patient and telling him what kind of a disease he's suffering from, what kind of lifestyle modifications he needs to have. This is again very important. The stress management is very important for these patients as well. And obviously, you look out for any life-threatening conditions. You have that constant surveillance for the cancerous conditions, either benign or any kind of malignant changes that are taking place in the bowel of the individual.